cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its network, and it makes them unique and almost impossible to fake or double spend. Most cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, which means that they do not have a central issuing or regulation authority. We call them cryptocurrency because they use encryption to verify transactions. This coding system uses various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve encryptions, public-private key pairs, and hashing functions. In this system, transactions are recorded in a public ledger and stored in a digital wallet. This capability, at least theoretically, is immune to government interference or manipulation. Instead, they use decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Since they are not following the government-based regulation and system, they use a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone, anywhere to send and receive payments. And it's visible for everyone to track the transactions. When you are sending or receiving money, you may feel it's the same as other online transfer systems like Western Union, PayPal, Google Pay, IDEN, Alipay, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, and so on. But it is not. With cryptocurrencies, now it's possible to send money from one person to another in any part of the world, fast, secure, and with no bank involved to take fees, ask you thousands of questions, delay your transactions, and decide for you whether or not you are allowed to use your money as you want. Cryptocurrencies cut out the needs for governments and banks to be involved in people's private and transactions. Cryptocurrencies do not need regulation because of blockchain. This makes cryptocurrencies self-regulated. For example, when you send Bitcoin to somebody, the transaction is visible to everyone on the blockchain. This means that there is no fraud, no double spending, and no way to be fooled when somebody says, "I have sent the funds." You can instantly confirm whether the funds have been sent or not just by checking the blockchain. In short, there are 5 reasons why every day more and more people choose cryptocurrencies over fiat money. There are several benefits of cryptos over the fiat currencies that most people are not aware of. No storage and transfer cost is the first. Compared to the traditional banking service, Bitcoin has no storage cost. Number 2, transfer of any amount. Its division allows very small transactions, which we call Satoshi. Number 3, globality. The cross-border transactions with uniform value, which is not possible in fiat money. Number 4, zero government interference. Bitcoin cannot be controlled by any government's central authorities. And number 5, impossible to falsify. Fraudsters cannot make fake Bitcoin because it's a digital and not a paper currency like a fiat. Every day, more and more people are diversifying their investments by getting into the crypto market. However, crypto is still relatively young, and by time pass, crypto investments will continue to grow. For example, for the first time in 2021, we saw investment institutions heavily investing in the cryptocurrencies for their futures, and it is continuing. First cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. Back in 2008, an anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto invented it and introduced it to the world via a white paper. Since that, thousands of the cryptocurrencies have been introduced with different functions and specifications. After Bitcoin, we can call Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USD Coin, and Ripple as the most used cryptocurrencies based on their market cap, and we call them altcoin. Bitcoin's price is renowned for being highly volatile, but despite that, it has become the top performing asset of any class, including stocks, commodities, and bonds. Over the past decade, climbing a staggering 9 million percent between 2010 and 2020. In 2020, same as other assets, Bitcoin also fell sharply to test multi-year low under 4,000. However, it again raised to test the new records around 70,000 US dollars. While currently it is trading around 40,000 US dollars, many believe that it can easily test over $100,000. And now, let me ask you a question. Where do you stand in this new version of the world?